What up, creeps? Let's start off by slicing an onion. And we're gonna slice it right here. Let's go ahead and put these on the side. Now let's go ahead and chop up our bell peppers. We're gonna slice them up. Cut the top piece off and the bottom. And we're gonna be using these pieces too. We're not gonna let any of it go to waste. And what I like to do is I like to slice it from here to take out the seeds. And it comes right off and you're left with what you need. And I like to lay it down like this and just slice it up. This piece comes right off, just like that. And we're gonna be doing the same thing to our red and green bell pepper. And I like to use hot links when I make these hot dogs, but you could use any sausage or franks that you like. I use these ones from Hillshire farm. We're just gonna make a couple slits on them. And yeah, we're just gonna make small cuts on them. Kind of like grill marks in a way. Just so they could cook evenly, and they're already fully cooked. You mainly just wanna heat them up. We're gonna do that to all the sausages. Just like this. Now we're gonna wanna oil our pan a little bit. Now let's go ahead and cook our hot links. We're just gonna wanna move them around occasionally to evenly cook them. Like I said, they're already fully cooked. We just wanna warm them up. Get some grill marks going. This is what you want them to look like, so let's go ahead and put these to the side. Now to the same pan, while it's hot, we're gonna go ahead and add our bell peppers and onion. So carefully put them in. Now let's go ahead and mix these around. And we're gonna spray them with a little more oil and mix them around again. Now let's go ahead and put this to the side, and we're gonna toast our buns. These are the buns I use. I got these on the bakery side at Walmart. I like these because they're just split at the top. Now let's go ahead and just put the whole thing right on the pan. Let's go ahead and flip it. And we're gonna cook an egg and add it on top of one of the hot dogs because why not? Now let's go ahead and assemble our hot dog. This dish is to die for.